So Miss Nakoma here, when she doesn't like something, she just likes to blast forward and will not give you the rein, in turn bucking you off because you can't stop where you're going. And we all know I'm not the best bronc rider in the world, nor do I claim to be. For me, a trainer claiming to be a good bronc rider is the equivalent of a boxer saying that they take a good punch. Don't you know that's how you lose? That's not bragging. So our job is to keep our horses from bucking. So if you have a horse that crow hops, if you have a horse that surges off, if you have a horse that rears, if you have a horse that runs off, if you have a horse that gets goosey, this is something that we'd like to do. Today we have a full cheek snaffle on her, nothing special or fancy. We do have a saddle on her, and we have our stirrups tied underneath her, so you can't pick these stirrups up any higher than this.